Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Larry from Blessed Offer. Just want to jump on here real quick, man, and give a shout out to my man Bryce. You know, with REIA results. I just left a meeting with the seller, and guys, I was there for 4 hours. No kidding, 4 hours. 4 hours later, I walked away with a contract. You know, thank God for Bryce's, coaching, his modules that teach us how to build rapport and how to get that close. And it was just so crazy because I'm sitting there listening to the seller, go on and on and on. But, the more she spoke, the more she liked me, because at the end of the day, it's about building rapport, So again, man, I just want to give a shout out to Bryce, RI results. 4 hours later, got the contract, and by far, by God's grace, it's probably gonna be the biggest deal that I ever signed, since I started in the group. So shout out to you guys, man. God is good.